morning. You are watching Sleepy Eye Pride News. I'm Brooke, and today is November 6th. It's finally Friday. Yay! Looking forward to a great lunch. How about you, Alexis? I'm always looking forward to great lunch choices. Choice 1, cheese bread dunkers. Choice 2, taco salad. Another great choice here at SEPS. As always. I really hope that weather would be more like the great lunch choices, but I have a feeling it won't be, I'm sure. Please give us better news. Brennan?
On the plus side, there won't be any rain today, or at least, but unfortunately, those temps won't be any better today. They were yesterday. We can expect a high of 49 degrees, although it seems like we will be approaching the 50 temps. It will actually feel like closer to 40, most likely due to the wind. We will be experiencing over the weekend. We should see plenty of sun, but that won't help those temps any. We will just have to deal with it. Back to you.
Ups and downs, just like a roller coaster. Do you see why we always tell you to come prepared? It's so important. Now on to those reminders. Alexis? Reminders for today. Indians fans vehicle decals are for sale in the elementary office if you are interested in purchasing one. Also, basketball clothing order is underway if you are interested in purchasing. It is not too late to purchase an elementary yearbook. Stop in the office for details. For those students interested in wrestling, registration will be November 12th from 5 to 7. Finally, remember we have begun collecting money for Food for Kids. If we, as an elementary, are able to reach our goal of $500, we will be rewarded for our efforts. So keep on collecting. Keep bringing in your spare change. It all goes to a great cause. Help a family in need this holiday season. That wraps our broadcast up for today. I'm Brooke. And I'm Alexis. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.